So what are the fire safety installation in buildings? Fire safety installation. Okay, detector, smoke detector, alarm system, okay, sprinkler system. Okay, so here you can see carbon monoxide detector, smoke alarm, fire extinguisher, escape ladder. So this is the escape ladder. Okay, fire sprinkler system. This is the fire sprinkler system. Fire doors and frames. So typical fire doors and frames are there. Water storage, etc. are some of the important fire safety equipment. Some of the important fire safety equipment. Installation of fire safety device. Installation of this fire safety device is offered as a part of the project by the builders and developers. So they should give this device only. According to NBC, at least one staircase shall be provided as a fire staircase as defined in the NBC code. At least one staircase should be having NBC code line requirement. It should fulfill NBC code 1 requirement. The performance of the fire protection system. The performance is depends not only on the quality but in the quality of its maintenance program. So product is good but maintenance is not going to happen correctly means what? The total system will get collapsed. So both quality of product and the quality of its program, maintenance program, both should be good. Okay, then only it will function properly. So you can see here there is alarm system. So the person is waking. Can you see here? Okay, this is the starting time. Okay, so as the alarm is making sound, so the person wakes up. Here, what is written here? Smoke alarm sounds and occupants are alerted. Okay, that is the first part, and they will start escaping. Some time is utilized here. Okay, escaping. So here you can say he has appeared at the outside of the building. So that is why it is written first person out. First person has come outside. So after some time, lot of people will start coming. Okay, so that is called as exiting the home. That is called as, this operation is called as exiting the home. So here what is there? Last person out. Here it is called as last person out. Still time is there, no? Time is going. So as the time elapses, smoke increases and flame develops. So smoke will gradually increases. At the later stage, fire will there. So the last stage, fire growth is fast and may not be survivable. So at this point, if any person is there, so surely he is going to die. Now fire protection sprinkler system. See here, the fire is there. So there are the sprinkler systems are there. So this is a typical arrangement. Okay. So the water tank is there. So from there it is going pumping. So typical sprinkler system is arranged. Okay. So these are called as sprinkler systems, fire buckets. Okay, another example for sprinkler systems. These are called as fire cylinders. So automatic sprinkler system, standpipe system, fire extinguisher and cabinets, special fiber protection systems. Okay, so these are called as carbon dioxide system, dry chemical system. These are used as a to stop the fire spreading. Okay, so what is that? CO2 will cut the oxygen supply. Dry chemical is also covering the, what is that, fire burning things. Okay, halon system, foam system. Foam system is also making what? Okay, it's covering the fire, stopping the oxygen. Okay, like that. So these are all there. So last part, fire safety objectives. So prevent fire, first is. Second is manage fire. If fire is there, first try to prevent it. Second is to manage it. So manage fire, manage exposure. So manage in fire, control combustion, suppress the fire, control the fire by construction. So there are three cases are there.